As a developer, you already have a million things to do every single day. And one of the most annoying things is, of course, when you have to debug something or figure out why something doesn't work as intended. As Clerk is a technical piece of software that needs to be implemented into many different web shop solutions, sometimes you might encounter issues that you need to quickly figure out how to solve. And we just made that even easier for you through our improved logging system. Now when you go into your Clerk.io store, you can go to developers and logs and see a full section of logs from everything that has happened on the store, both in terms of successes, warnings, errors, and much more. We've now made it super easy to browse all of these logs in a meaningful way, both through sorting of source, type, message, and time, viewing the details of each specific logging entry, filtering by type if you only want to see the warnings or errors or successes and so on. And of course also searching if there's something specific you're looking for, like Clerk.js errors or warnings. So this lets you understand at a glance exactly what's happening and lets you browse towards the issue that helps you fix it as fast as possible.